Hey everyone, this is a quick video on how to convert a Google Docs document into a Microsoft Word document. So to do that, go ahead and open up the Google Doc you want to convert over to Word, and then go up to File, and then down to Download, and select Microsoft Word.docx. This will download the file into a Word document. As you can see in the bottom left of my screen, I have the quik.video doc available. If this does not appear for you, what you need to do is go over to your File Explorer and then go to Downloads, and the document will appear here for you. Go ahead and select that. It's going to launch it in Microsoft Word. If you don't own Word, you can't make any modifications to it, but you will be able to view it as a Word document. As you can see here, I don't own Microsoft Office, so I can't make any changes to this document if I tried to. It's not allowed, but I can still view it. And that is how you convert a Google Doc document into a Microsoft Word document. I hope you found this quick video useful. If you did, please make sure to like and subscribe, and I hope to see you all in future quick videos.